You know if you worry about nothing, you're my wife, you're my VIP. Girl, if you know by now, say you have my heartstring. Are you for bring me joy, you for bring all me offspring, yeah. Girl, you know some love you. I don't mean to be bad. Girl, you know some love you. I never mean to make you mad.
Good morning. Wait, is it still morning? Yeah. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Yeah. We are heading into town to go see if I can get a ticket because my flight got canceled, and because I have my digital chip in. I guess they were trying to reach me on my overseas number, which they weren't able to, so they refunded my money, but I don't get my money for 7 to 14 business days. So I gotta pay cash, and in order to do that I either have to go to the airport or May's sister deals with those type of things, so that's where we're going right now to go see if she can assist me in any way. To see if okay, do you want me to put everybody's business out there? That's that's where we're heading to right now to go see if I can get myself a ticket to go home. Shut up. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. We don't really have anything planned, honestly. Everything we wanted to do this trip, we honestly really and truly accomplished, like within the first 2 days of me being here, or not even the first day of me, like the first 2 days. Yeah, and then this morning we got like approved for something, which I was so freaking excited about. Oh my god! So yeah, like this trip was just amazing. The only thing we haven't done yet that I really want to do is go to dinner. That is something that we keep as tradition, not annually. It's a tradition, so that's the only thing that we haven't done yet.
Wide already, the city. Wide up, but you are realizing more lanes.
Yeah, no. Shovel is dead air.
Sometimes.
Aye. Pappanize no. Sure, you're so annoying. Anyways, so yeah, we didn't really have any plans for this trip. Like everything was just like gonna like go with the flow or whatever. As I said, it was Bay's birthday. He didn't really want anything. He just wanted me to come. So I'm here, and then every day we just figure out something to do, but we haven't really done anything, you know what I'm saying? We've just been chillaxing and relaxing, really and truly. Yeah, yesterday we went on the road, but we literally went like across the street, literally, and got the KFC, as you guys would have seen. I came right back home and I slept out the whole of the evening. Not day. It was the evening because I fell asleep after that of them came home. No, it was closer to 5.
4:30.
Alright, but we never drop asleep till about 6 o'clock or so.
Drops it from them.
You're wicked to me, you know? Oh god. That's why I don't like staying in bed, because when you stay in bed, like you're prone to like just want to sleep and be lazy. So yeah, I want to go to the beach. Don't know when that's gonna happen as of yet, but yeah, and then I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna see Kiana and I'm gonna see Kamari. Super excited about that. And Kiana already said she wants to go to the beach, so yeah, we're gonna bring Hopsy to the beach. No, I want to go to the beach separate from that too.
That's a lot of things in the water.
No, we don't want to do anything in the water. Excuse me? I'm like Christian. I'm saving myself till marriage.
Celibate.
What's wrong with you?
Celibate.
Did I say I'm a Christian? I'm saving myself till marriage. I'm celibate. I'm not saving myself until marriage. But yeah, so yeah, journey good way.
drive to be my fast when me remember how far me one used to walk. Every time I remember the past, me buy a buckle line, me see I know nothing for laugh. Every time I remember them talk, me work hard, I know we out the thing large. And every time I remember friends falls, me keep my gun close and check my ring guard, yeah. Remember when my teacher them tell me, know me I make more than what them make.
Every day, man, level up, level up. You know the pan me level, so just level now. This is killing them, yo, we get pebble up. Boy, head top lift off like a 7 now. We run the road, G-Wagon Benz. Man, a shot a hawk, Sprague Benz. Entourage Lord of the President. Yeah, and Ulila, me commandment. Fat pussy girl in a me residence. See a Benz, not the mouth, God know I'm one. Man, remember days when I only me face my fall. Me never got no rich uncle for call pan. Man, roll it out, Jordan. Remember when we just I do this, the whole of them they laugh. The whole of them they laugh. Never see we struggle, them only see the flaws.
Guys, people man just buy the people woman flowers. He said it matched my outfit, that's why he bought it. Isn't that so cute?
Match.
It's so sweet. It really does match. Oh my god. Sugar plum, you didn't have to. I love you, Sugar Plum. That's a lie.
Yeah.
That is a lie.
You love the most?
Yes. We're gonna make. Why you love come out of frame, so we're gonna make stew peas tonight. Yeah, never had oxtail stew peas before, but he's been dying to make, so that's what we're gonna make for dinner today. You need seasoning? Yeah, you need seasoning? I don't even think we would need a big one like this, because that could be our bun and cheese. So yeah, this is the meat shop. Is it just meat shop or wholesale? So this is the wholesale part, and over here so the meat shop.
Look alright, see what they want to do. And I love how I'm give them trouble. I tell them I'm going to make them give me enemy. They don't know my thing. My mother teach me my thing. They can't go around me. I want to see the oxtail. I can see it. Yeah.
Three.
Oh, they don't give them out. Don't put them in a can, serious. Don't put them in a can, in a box. Remember, I'm with a bag, you know. I'm buying a bag. I'm buying a squeeze. You want a squeeze?
Yeah.
I'm buying a bag. I'll give you a squeeze, this one.
The limeade.
Limeade squeeze. What is can? This can one can hold everything. Hold it in there. I can't give me a small, the smaller box. I put the one on the cheese. Just put everything in one. Put the meat in.
We just won't need the bag for the meat. That can carry. Box.
So them big?
What you order? What you order, eh? Tell me what you order. Three. Top box. Wait, this wind is serious out here. Oh, this is where we are. Port Henderson Plaza. Talk to us nice. Yeah, Portmore is really the sun city. I mean, I thought Montego Bay was... Well, Montego Bay is still kind of hotter to me still. Scallion, onion, thyme, and pop joe. Talk to us nice! You have tomatoes at home?
Oh, you never tell me that. That's me in a tomato.
I ask you, what you mean? I never tell you that. I don't know. And I'm here cooking on you.
Pleasant afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You guys heard about the promotion already? Alright, I'm from Rhino Marketing. We're doing a promotion today. Once you utilize the port in this plaza, you get some complimentary item courtesy of Rhino Marketing. Alright? You have a jumper cable already? Alright, give me a second. Like, you know, give me a jumper cable.
Freeness. Oh, get the extension cord.
Yes, chief, as promised, I get this one free. This is the 600 amp booster cable. Yes, so this one can jumpstart truck. Now, the price by running is 13,500, so they get this free. So when I get this free, plus, me get a pump. I don't know if you say I'm the gas station, they're not going to pump anymore. You hear about it? Alright, man, they're not going to pump anymore. Luckily, they get that pump. Normally, we're 7,500, they take that free. So right away, I say 13,000. Plus, you get a 6 outlet on USB. This one can actually charge up.
And then free.
This is what they're promoting though. This is the socket tech. Straight out of Germany. This one comes with a ratchet angle and a screwdriver.
Oh, what is them, sir?
No, man. Yeah, right here, sir. Yeah, so when you do slow cheap, you just make a small donation in this one. You keep the jumper cable free, the foot pump free, and the socket tech free.
Small donation?
Yeah, man, it's small. There's $64.99 in this one.
$64.
Oh, yeah. $1.65 in this one. You see, we said 22,000 plus maybe an extra. Yeah, 6,500. In this one alone. And you keep the jumper cable free. You can't the cartridge. That's the best part. No, you're not going to carry that. You don't keep the foot pump free, you know, see. And you don't keep the jumper cable and the power strip.
No, I'm
you
not
just pay for this one.
staying.
You not carry that shit? Alright, tell me something though. Out of all the items, you love the most though? Yeah, out of all of them, you love the most. It's normally going to be like 6,500, but due to the promotion today, it's in the 2,000 and going.
Still not. That's why I'm not taking it.
Not carry that.
Yeah, next time if you can. I'll let you today. Alright.
Free.
First you tell me, sir.
I mean, that should make you lucky and feel like, whoa, I'm getting a lot. And then after you look at it, you're gonna be like, whoa, me get all of this for 6,500. Anyways, y'all, we leaving. We going home. Straight home, I go? Yeah. Oh wait, no. Are you gonna go to Kingate? Kingate, yeah. So we gonna go and then go home. I think we're gonna record our Q&A today. So if you sent in your questions on Instagram when I made the post, we'll be answering your questions today, I think. And then as we say, stoopies, I make weird stuff for dinner. And yeah. Because I can't put on my flash. Guys, my husband just brought me, I was about to say breakfast. Oxtail, stew peas with pig's tail. Talk to him nice. Yeah. Okay. It smells so freaking good. I really wish I could put on the flash. I'm so earthed. Like, because this smells so divine. Don't feel like hype or anything, okay? Bon appetit.